Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we got a very cool interior upgrade for you guys. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it. If you've been watching the channel a while, you know I got the gray truck, pretty much base model. Got these gray cloth seats in here. Well, today we are gonna change that, give the truck a whole new look. Very excited for this one. Let's go see what's in the box. Kustom Interior hooked us up. Huge shout out to them. Look what we got. Black with red honeycomb stitching seat covers. These seat covers are meant for this specific truck and they are gonna look so good in there. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. Let's unbox the rest of the way, get the truck prepped. We will slap these things on and see how they look. And just like that, we have one seat done. Just look at the difference. That looks so good. So easy to install, no special tools needed. Just slide them over your existing seat. How much easier can it get? And everything fits so nicely. I'm so excited to get the rest of this in and see how it looks with everything done. We're gonna knock out the next half of the interior. Okay guys, the kit is finally in, 100% from Kustom Interior. Just look at this. The red and black honeycomb stitching looks amazing. Way better than the stock gray seats. Super well built set of seat covers. We'll see how they hold up over time. Very happy with how it turned out. As you guys saw, very easy to install. I mean, just throw the covers on, clip them together, call it a day. Did not take too long at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get my truck put back together. But yeah, then that'll be it. Guys, make sure to check out Kustom Interior. I'll link them down below. They make sets for all kinds of different vehicles. Go check them out, see what you guys can find. And huge shout out, thank you to Kustom Interior for sending this one to me for us to install on the Ram. I was actually looking for some new seat covers, so it kind of worked out perfectly. All right, let's get the truck put back together. that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, huge shout out to Kustom Interior. I'm excited to see how they hold up, and I'll make sure to do an update in the future. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.